How to make an EA account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up your web browser, then tap on the search bar, then type EA sign in, then tap on search at the bottom right corner, then open up the first website. Now tap on the user icon, then tap on create account. Now wait for some time. You can simply create an account using Google, Facebook or Xbox account or simply fill up the details. Then tap on next. Now enter the email address. Now tap on EA ID. Now create ID. Now tap on password. Now enter the password and tap on next. Now select this toggle and tap on create account. Now enter the verification code from your email. Then open up email and copy the code. Then go back to the browser and paste the code here and tap on next and tap on finish. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.